We get a lot of calls on how to specifically pick a turbo shatter compressor blanket. We have all the dimensions online, and let me outline it quick because sometimes people get confused. This is considered the top dimension that goes up top here by the compressor discharge. This is considered the length, which is going to wrap around the compressor cover. And this is considered the bottom here, which is going to end up right underneath the compressor discharge. So pull out your tape measure. Here we are grabbing our top dimension. Try to wrap it all the way around, not completely around. Same thing on your bottom dimension, and then around the length here as well, right before the compressor discharged. Now we're going to start to wrestle this thing on. I know I made it look easy in the video. The first time you do this, you're going to struggle a bit. You have to just keep pulling and prodding and pulling and prodding. You're pulling on that main strap, but as you work your hands around there, you can pull on each portion of the strap to start to pull out any of the slack. If you just try to pull from the top, you'll never get it tight. Here we are finishing it up. Looking for that great finished product look, and now your turbo is going to be safe and protected. Guys, this is the way to go. Don't wait for it to be a requirement. Just go ahead and get it done now so you can go home safely every day.